Hello, my name is Jason. I am the developer of Gessa, the geometric shape solving application. So this is the basic window that comes up, or the default window that comes up when you open Gessa. We have our shapes, and here if you look through them, there's many 2 and 3 dimensional shapes to choose from. We're going to focus primarily on the circle for this first tutorial. The images will show up here, and these D and R apply to diameter and radius, so the variables here will have a name next to them down here. These buttons we'll get to in a second. So this here is all our variables and the inputs for those variables. And at the very bottom, there'll be some equations that you can look through and some references into the work that you are doing. So the way Gessa works is, let's say I know what the radius is. Let's click on that radius. Let's delete that. And once you edit this, it makes a check mark here. It says, hey, this is one of the inputs that I know. So we're going to make the radius 1. Click done, hit calculate. It'll tell us everything else, the diameter, the circumference, and the area. So in this code, in this application, if you hit clear once, it'll clear out everything that was calculated for you. And if you didn't edit anything after that, hit clear again, and it'll clear everything out. So now that we know the radius, let's try the same thing with diameter. Let's say we only knew the diameter. Let's make it 2, because it was before in the previous calculation. Hit calculate. There we go. Radius is 1, circumference, and area. Hit clear twice again. All right, let's put in the circumference. Let's say we only know the circumference. So I'm not going to put the full precision here. It's approximately 6.28. Hit done. Hit calculate it. Here we get the radius, the diameter of 1 and 2, a little less than because we didn't put the precision in, but we get the estimated answer. And lastly, we'll do the same thing with the area. The area we're going to say is 3.14. Let's do a little more. Let's do 159. Okay, done. Hit calculate it. Tells us the radius, diameter, and circumference. So this is the very basics of how Gessa works. Move on to another tutorial, and I can explain why Gessa is much more advanced than any other application that you will find in the Android store. Thank you.